Hello and welcome to a small review. I've just been out this morning and it's been raining. It's been pretty wet and you can see by the wind as everything's steamed up in my van. I've had to retreat back to the van to get me waterproofs and I'm waiting for the tide to go down a little bit. But while I'm sitting in the van, I'm waiting for the tide to drop a little bit and the rain to lay off, and it's just stopped raining by the sounds of it. I thought I'd just review this little item that K&F's been kindly to send me. I was contacted by them again a few weeks ago and they asked if I could send me their new case, their new filter case. And I thought, yeah, why not? I'll show it to you. And I've also got something else to show. Wasn't asked to review it, wasn't asked to look at it. It was just a case of, they asked me to have a look at it and see what it was like, just for a quality issue. But yeah, the filter case. This is basically designed to take their the K&F filter mount and square filters. And when I got it, I had a look inside it, and I haven't opened it. It's literally still in its brand new packing. And it comes in a nice little wooden box. Nothing too fancy, because you know me, I don't like wooden boxes that are too fancy. That's it, just an empty wooden box. And it comes in a little bag, obviously sealed, and I've not opened this before. This is the first time I'm opening it, the first time I'm looking at it. And it's basically a little leather case that matches their filter case. So, first impressions, nice feel, leather look, really nice. K&F embossed on the front in gold, little tag on the front, and a big loop, a very big loop on the back to attach to your tripod or your belt or your bag. It is really quite a big loop and very well stitched on. I'd be lucky to pull that off. And it's also got a Velcro, God that's tough, a Velcro belt strap, so you can slot your belt through the back of it and attach it to your belt. So that's pretty good. What have we got inside? Well, we've got a piece of cardboard. I don't suppose we need the piece of cardboard, that's just an instructions. And then we've got 4 dividers, and a large slot in the front. Now the large slot in the front, I understand, is to take this, and I'm just going to slot it in best I can while I'm trying to look very professional, and that fits in the front very, very well. Now I've got the double front on to take 2 filters on there, and it does fit, and if I get rid of the silica gel it might fit even better. So yeah, that fits in the front there. There's some more cardboard in the bottom. Let's get rid of all this cardboard. I can see it now down there. Let's get rid of that. There we go. There's another bit of cardboard. Some more instructions and manufacturer details. Right, now it should go in quite nice and easily. There we go. Much better, much more professional. So yeah, that slots in the front quite nicely. It goes in either way round, like so, and it closes inside. It also holds square filters. Now, you know I've got a few square filters as it is, and apparently, yeah, and this is something I looked online, if you pull this strap, very similar to their new strap inside the filter holder, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So you drop your filter in the slot, and instead of you fumbling around when you've got gloves on, you just pull the tab, and when you pull the tab, let's show you that again, when you pull the tab, the filter comes out so you can get hold of it. I think that's a fantastic idea. And the same for this. Filters come out, you can then drop your first filter in the back, and it's hidden in the back. When you want your filter, you slide it up, take your filter out. If you want the one in the front, it goes in the front, drop that all down, open it up, slide it up until you get the filter you want, and you can get it out. That is absolutely brilliant. Really like that idea. Let's put another filter in there just so we can see what we're doing. Let's put one right down the bottom there. So you drop inside. There is enough room to take 1, 2, 3, 4 filters, 4 square 100mm filters. So yeah, you literally pull the tab up, take out the filter you want and slot it back in, rather than fiddling around in your bag. And I've done this before, rather than fiddling around in your bag trying to find the one you want, then you're trying to force your fingers down inside to get the filters out, and you're lucky, you know, you're lucky if you can get hold of them with the tips of your fingers, and you definitely can't get them with gloves on. So that really is quite nice that you can just pull it out with your gloves on, and away you go. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to show you this filter case from K&F. It takes 400mm square filters. It takes their filter mount, and that's all in one little compartment. Hang it on your bag, and away you go. So very, very simple, short little vlog. mention the K&F Filter case. I will put a link in the bottom, and I've been popping up descriptions for you and prices and everything like that. I think it was about $40, but don't quote me, I've got no signal where I am, so I can't check and find out. But yeah, it's a cracking little design and very, very nice. That's what I'm going to do. Short and sweet, K&F case. Thanks for watching. Before I go, my calendar. I've still got a few calendars left. You thought you were going to get away with it, didn't you? I've still got a few of these calendars left. If you want a calendar with my photograph in, and obviously one of Mrs. C's in, and this goes for each day, January, and I'll show you February as well. There's February and February's picture. Loads of room to write in, all the little details, XF details, where it is, and locations and everything else. Preview of what's inside. A little bit of spiel about me. I've still got a few of these left. They will make a lovely Christmas present. Very high quality. Each photograph's put on separate pages. So yeah, don't be shy. Check out the description below. I will put a link in the description. $21.99. I'll post it anywhere in Europe. If it's going anywhere further, contact me and I'll let you know. Right, sorry about that. Quick plug. Ciao. Definitely going now.